Hello everybody, I want to talk about these amazing strange sounds that are being heard around the globe in every single country in the sky. You can research this on YouTube, just type in strange sounds being heard around the world. They sound like eerie, scary, gigantic trumpets being played in the sky, and nobody has a clue what it is. Some people are saying it's the earth groaning and stretching and twisting. Maybe. It doesn't really ring true to me because it's never happened before. Other people are saying that it could be something to do with harp, generations of sound, etc. I believe, and this rings true with so many other people when I started to share this, these are created by whales, sky whales. If you look in some of the hieroglyphs around Egypt, you can actually see where they've carved whales flying in the sky. Why is that? Is that coincidence? And also around the world, there's huge granite carvings of these strange looking whales in jungles. I think they were worshipping and revering these sky whales. So what you're hearing in the sky, in what I believe, prove me wrong, are whale sounds. And people say, well, why? Why are they doing this? And I get a belief and a feeling that sound is important, as we know. Sound creates, sound changes the structure of water, the molecular structure of water. Sound does that. And I believe that these sky whales are highly, highly evolved, and they are helping in the assisting of the upgrade in humanity and the planet. They are creating certain sound frequencies that are changing the earth, changing you, changing us, changing how the water vibrates in the atmosphere, bringing together this upliftment, this evolutional process within humanity. So these are sky whales. I mean, even Star Trek had it, didn't it? In the Homecoming, a gigantic ship coming towards the Earth. They couldn't hear the sky whales, the whales anymore in the Earth, in the oceans. So they're about to destroy the Earth. So went back in time, collected 2 whales, end of it. Why was that? Strange one, isn't it? So I believe we have sky whales. I think if we saw them, we'd shit ourselves. But ultimately, when we hear them, it's quite scary. But if you listen to it again, knowing that they are made by whales, you'll understand what I'm saying. And listen to it with your heart, and it will help to change you. Sky whales.